From a capable everyday truck to the ultimate adventure companion, Toyota Tundra is a powerhouse that does it all. Backed by a legendary reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, this full-size truck pairs rugged capability with premium comfort and advanced technologies to fuel epic adventures and be the dependable workhorse for hauling payload and pulling trailers. Featuring gas and hybrid electric powertrains, as well as a choice of 2 cab styles and 3 bed lengths, Tundra is all about limitless possibilities and redefining capability. With its confidence-inspiring drive, Tundra is ready to take on that tough job and hit the road to the next far-out destination. Tundra's lineup is as diverse as it is capable. This starts with its well-equipped Core SR, SR5, and Limited grades, which are packed with plenty of value. For 2025, the new TRD Rally package arrives to inject some sportiness into the Tundra lineup, adding details like the tricolor decal on the exterior and an off-road tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks. On top of that, Tundra offers 3 distinctly premium takes. From the striking Platinum grade and Western-inspired 1794 edition to the plush Capstone grade, Tundra offers next-level refinement coupled with unique designs. In addition, Tundra TRD Pro emphasizes Tundra's ability to go nearly anywhere with its heritage-inspired looks. This incredible lineup also packs plenty of substance, making Tundra a legendary truck that does it all. Whether on the pavement or out in the wilderness, Toyota Tundra's capability allows it to work hard and play even harder. This starts with the standard iForce twin-turbo V6 engine with up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Need even more? Tundra has that covered too, with its iForce Max hybrid electric powertrain. Producing a pavement-pounding 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, this electrified powerhouse ensures maximum performance when it's time to take on what the world has to offer. All of this power is complemented by a suspension designed to take on tough jobs and trails. On Tundra TRD Pro, this setup includes Fox shocks that help get through obstacles on the trail. Plus, it comes paired with technologies that enhance Tundra's capabilities even further. Features like the available multi-terrain select and crawl control make off-road driving exciting and effortless, allowing drivers to cover more ground with just a turn of a dial. Meanwhile, available all-terrain tires and an available electronic locking rear differential ensure power is effectively used, resulting in even more traction for tackling tough terrain. Tundra's drive continues to impress on pavement. Thanks to the premium grade's available adaptive variable suspension, it can adjust damping based on changing road conditions, ensuring the ride is refined even when the surfaces aren't. The performance story extends to Tundra's ability to get work done. Featuring a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds and a maximum payload of up to 1,940 pounds. Tundra is a highly capable workhorse that's as at home on the job site as it is pulling a trailer on an epic adventure. On top of that, an available load-leveling rear height control air suspension helps keep the rear end level for a comfortable ride when towing, making this full-size pickup a multi-talented machine. Tundra's impressive performance also comes backed with a rugged style that demands attention. Standard LED headlights give Tundra a commanding presence, while the Capstone grade's chrome-finished exterior accents and 22-inch alloy wheels make for a truly premium look. Meanwhile, TRD Pro pays tribute to Toyota's off-roading history thanks to its heritage-inspired grille with an integrated LED light bar, resulting in a striking appearance that matches Tundra's legendary off-road credentials. This rugged and refined exterior is backed by genuine toughness. Thanks to a fully boxed frame and an aluminum-reinforced composite bed, Tundra is as capable as it is eye-catching. Additionally, its available power tailgate brings an extra layer of convenience, allowing owners to easily access the contents in the bed. Getting in and out of the truck is even more convenient thanks to an available retractable bed step, as well as available power retractable running boards that make this stylish truck so practical and effortless. It's not just the outside that offers a distinct appearance. Step inside Tundra's versatile interior, and it's clear that this design story is paired with plenty of comfort. Toyota Tundra's cabin has the flexibility and toughness to handle nearly everything, all while offering exceptional comfort at work or on adventures. Use the standard Smart Key system to get into the truck and see just how well it keeps passengers relaxed, all while remaining incredibly versatile. Features like available heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats bring a premium touch on long drives, while added extras on higher grades like heated and ventilated outboard rear seats elevate Tundra's upscale experience. On top of that, an available panoramic moonroof opens the cabin to the outside, giving it an airy feel. Tundra also pairs this refinement with details that allow the interior to stand out. Available genuine wood grain trim and two-tone interior on 1794 edition and Capstone add a nice dose of upscale flair to this useful space. On the other hand, Tundra TRD Pro doubles down on heritage with touches like a TRD leather-wrapped shifter, a Heritage Toyota badge on the dash, and red trim to highlight its focus on performance. This stylish and premium interior also highlights Tundra's tech story, which brings even more convenience and connectivity on the road. Tundra makes staying connected seamless thanks to the Toyota Audio multimedia platform. Featuring a standard 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Additionally, the available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and available head-up display puts key driving data points front and center, while an available Qi-compatible wireless charging helps keep mobile devices charged and allows everyone to stay connected. On top of that, Tundra's available 12-speaker JBL premium audio system plays road trip playlists in high fidelity for an immersive listening experience. Tundra's technologies go beyond convenience and entertainment. They're designed to help the driver remain alert on the road. Tundra's tech looks out for its occupants in more ways than one. That's why every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Tundra's available driver assistance technologies add even more convenience on the road. Features like the available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert can warn the driver when a vehicle in the next lane enters a blind spot, even when pulling a trailer. Plus, the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and available panoramic view monitor make it even easier to maneuver the vehicle in tight spaces. The convenience extends to off-road driving and towing too. Tundra's available multi-terrain monitor helps the driver see what's around the vehicle, while the available trailer backup guide makes backing a trailer in a straight line so simple. From its capable off-road performance to its smooth on-road drive, Tundra does it all. Whether it's for work, play, or both, Tundra is a smart choice for everyone, from the adventure enthusiast to the driver who needs a tough, capable truck. The value only gets stronger from there, since every new Tundra includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Additionally, models powered by the iForce Max hybrid EV system are backed by an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making Tundra's electrified grades the ideal choice for the long haul. When taken as a whole package, it's clear that Tundra remains a force to be reckoned with. A truck that checks every